Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you're all doing well. Today we are going to learn about the GPON, Gigabit Passive Optical Network. Let's get started. In here I have drawn flow of diagram technology of GPON, Gigabit Passive Optical Network, and in here you can see the component of this GPON starting from the left OLT, in the middle is splitter, and in the right side is ONT. Okay, I will repeat again. You can see in here the component of the GPON, Gigabit Passive Optical Network. OLT, it means Optical Line Terminal. Splitter, it means for dividing bandwidth, and ONT, Optical Network Terminal. Before I explain it to detail, I will give you introduction about the GPON. GPON is network technology, and the media for this GPON using optical cable. Okay, I will repeat again. GPON is not topology, but GPON is network technology, and the topology is used by GPON using point to multipoint. GPON using topology point to multipoint, and GPON itself is technology network. And the reason why do you use the GPON? Because GPON is the better network technology than others. For example, ADSL, coaxial cable, Ethernet, or wireless. If you compare to others, GPON has a high speed, and GPON can reach long distance. Okay, the reason why do you use the GPON? Because GPON has a high speed and long distance. If you compare to ADSL or VDSL, coaxial cable, Ethernet, or Wi-Fi, GPON is the best than others. And I will give info to you. You just use one cable, and this cable optic can handle 3 surfaces, or we can call it triple play surfaces, such as internet, telephone, and TV digital. Just using one cable optic, GPON can handle this, or we can call it triple play surfaces: internet, telephone, and TV digital or IPTV. and this cable fiber can reach up to 220 kilometer distance. It's so long distance. If you want to reach in long distance, you can use this GPON, and the speed is very high and the speed is very stable if you compare to wireless Ethernet, ADSL, or copper cable. GPON is the best network technology. And one thing's the advantage of this GPON is using splitter without power, or we can call it with passive splitter, no need power, so it makes save your money. Okay, and I think enough for this introduction about the GPON, and next I will explain you the component of the GPON. Let's start from OLT. OLT, it means Optical Line Terminal, and the location of this OLT in the center of ISP. ISP is the source for giving internet. Okay, in location of this OLT in ISP, internet service provider, and it has the function to send and manage data to many users in one time. And this OLT can be connected to the backbone of internet. Okay, I hope you understand for this explanation about the OLT, Optical Line Terminal, the location of this OLT in ISP, Internet Service Provider, and the function for this OLT for sending and manage data to many users in one time. Next, for splitter. Splitter, you can see in here the position in the middle between OLT and ONT, and the function for this splitter to divide it bandwidth and without power. Okay, the function of this splitter to divide one fiber cable from OLT to many users, and the command of this splitter, okay, comparison of this splitter 1 to H 1 to 16, 1 to 32, and 1 to 64. It means one cable can handle 8 houses. One input cable can handle 16 houses. One cable can handle 32 houses, and this one cable can handle 64 houses. And what can be handled? It is bandwidth. Next, to ONT, Optical Network Terminal, and the location of this ONT in the user, for example in your house, and the function of this ONT to receiving signal from OLT, and this ONT can be connected to router to get Wi-Fi or internet. Okay, you can see in here, can be connected to your laptop, your phone, or your any devices. This is the simple explanation for you to understand the concept of technology network from GPON. If you have any question about this GPON, Gigabit Passive Optical Network, you can comment on below in this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video to your friends. See you next time and goodbye.